Hello and welcome to another episode of the Foodie vlog. You know, if there's one thing that I can have at any time of the day and in any form, it's chocolate. It's my all-time favorite, and this is something that gives me so much happiness when I eat it. So today in my kitchen, I've decided to make a delicious chocolate pudding. It's very easy to make and it's an absolute delight. So let's get started. The first step is to take quarter cup of corn flour, quarter cup of cocoa powder. I'm just gonna mix it. Now I'm gradually gonna add some milk and I'll keep mixing it. As you can see, this is ready and it has a flowing consistency. That's how we want it. And now we'll get to the next step. I've heated a saucepan and now I'm gonna add the mix to it. I'm going to put this on medium flame and I'm going to stir it until it thickens. I'm going to wait for it to thicken now. As you can see, the mixture has nicely thickened, and now I'm going to add some sugar. So this is about 1 cup of sugar. I'm going to mix it until it dissolves. Just keep the flame on low while you do this. Now I'm going to add some dark chocolate. So the chocolate, as you can see, has already melted. At this stage we'll add some cream. So about 2 tablespoons of cream, fresh cream is fine. This will give it a very rich consistency. Just look at this, it looks so damn good. So this is ready, and now I'm going to pour it into containers and then we're going to store it in the fridge. I'm now going to pour this into the glasses. Like this. The glasses are ready and I'm going to refrigerate this for about 2 to 3 hours. And then we'll open the fridge and we'll start with the final step. So I've just removed these from the refrigerator. I kept them for 2.5 hours. And now I'm just going to garnish them. So I have some white chocolate chips and I'm just going to put it on top of these. So I just tried this and it's really amazing. Y'all should definitely try this at home. You can customize it with some whipped cream or some extra chocolate, anything that you like. And do try this at home and let me know in the comment section below how you guys liked it. Until then, stay tuned for more videos.